In this video, we'll look into multicast transformation. Drag the data flow task, double click. There is a multicast transformation here, which will send the data to different locations. So let us create some tables and send the data to different locations. So we'll create a product table, and prices will be different at different locations. So there will be a calculation of prices for a different location. So let us create that table. Here, SQL Basics is the database name. Dot dbo dot product. This is the product table. Product ID here. Product name is price, then integer. So let us create two more tables for different prices. dbo, let us say London price. Here product ID, product name, care of 50, price, int, and we create the table for basics dbo dot tariff price, product ID, product name, care of it, price, okay, let us execute this. Drag this down, right click tables, so the product table has been created here. Product ID, product name, price, int var 50 int, and there is a London price table created. Product name, product ID, product name, price. Paris price table has been created here. Product name, price. Let us insert some data into the product table. Insert to SQL Basics dot dbo product values. One, product name, I'm giving it as A, price is 10, so give two more dots. This one 2, 3, 3, 3, then we'll make it 20, then we'll make it 30. Set these records. Now let us check. Let's start from SQLBasics.dbu.product. Now if I execute this, got this time 20, 30. So for London price, let us give a discount of $1, and for Paris price we'll give a discount of $2. So London price would be 9, 19 and 29. Paris price would be 8, 18 and 28. So we have to multi-class and then calculate those prices and send it to different locations. Now let us go to SSIS and get the data. We'll use this OLEDB source. We'll get that product data. Double click product. This is the server name and the database name. The table, we are going to choose product. Okay. Now from here we are going to get the data through the multicast. So let us drag the multicast transformation. So whatever data coming from the product table will be directed to different destinations. Now let us drag the derived column to calculate the different prices. So let us call this London price, and then the derived column here we'll call this Paris price. Here double click this and we'll take the price. The derived column name will make it as London price. So expression should be price minus 1, because we are discounting $1. So London price would be price minus 1, and the Paris price should be this price, and here we name it Paris price. Should be price minus 2. Now we'll go to the OLEDB destination, this one, connect the price to OLEDB destination. So this is, we have already created the table. So here I just double click this name here and select the table. We already created the London price table. Let us check the mappings. Here we have to map the London price, not the price here. Mapping the London price and the OLEDB destination for Paris. Drag this, save, take Paris, click, so choose the table name Paris price mapping and map the Paris price to price. So now let us execute this. Now it's running, successfully run. So 3 rows have come out of it, 3 rows are going here, 3 rows are here. So let us close that. Now we'll go to the table and we'll check the select star from this and change the name of the table. Here I'll say London price. Copy this. Oh, say this one is Paris price. Let us check the London price. See, we are deleted, we are discounted $1, so 9, 19 and 29. We check the Paris price 8, 18 and 28. So in the product original prices are 10, 20, 30. So for London price we have decreased by 1, and for Paris price we decreased by 2. So that's how we can use the multicast to redirect the same records to two different locations, and we can make different calculations for those two different locations. If you like the video, please subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. For notifications on upcoming videos, please click on the bell icon.